perfect for celebrating birthday, anniversary or any other small